everyone, it's Robin Cavallaro with the Robin Cavallaro Group of RE/MAX 100.
And I'm Darren Rickwood with First Home Mortgage.
Anyway.
So what are we talking about today?
All right. So we're going to bring back an oldie but goodie.
Okay.
Remember a couple of summers ago, I had a buyer that had a whole bunch of money PayPal into his account.
Oh, sure.
And
paid everything with PayPal.
Oh, yeah. So, and right now I'm getting ready to go on a ski trip with a bunch of friends, and it's like we're taking turns buying stuff and things like that. So it's like, oh, well, Venmo, you all Venmo? I'm like, no.
Boy.
No.
Don't want to see that.
Do not send it to me. So what's the reality as far as if someone Venmo's you?
Yeah, it depends on how much it is and how often. I mean, I've seen it as bad as 20, 30 of them a month to onesie, twosies. Most of the time, we're documenting with the buyer a letter, what it was for, reimbursement, that sort of thing. It's not unless it's a gift. It's a gift, and it's money that's going to be used towards the transaction. That's a whole different scenario. Yeah. Most of the time, when you see Venmo, PayPal, you're $20, $30, $50. But if we start getting into 500, 1,000, 2,500, we got a little bit of an issue.
Well, and I'm in a group where there's a whole bunch of us that chip in $20 each time the lottery gets big. So there's one guy who's kind enough to collect the money twice a week. So I'm thinking that could end up being a red flag.
Could be, but most of the time we'll just document with a letter. You can literally put that on there, Venmoing for a lottery ticket. Yeah. And, we're done.
Well, we do.
Yeah.
There are some people who are, they like to be a little bit creative.
He would be the problem of all the money coming into his account.
Well, that's the thing.
He's fine. Right.
Because you're looking at approximately $400 twice a week.
Oh, yeah.
Over a couple of months that we've been doing it.
Yeah. What's that side hustle you're doing? There you go.
Are you sure you're not?
Yeah. What are we doing? Second job.
That may be how to lose your friends in 10 seconds.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
So, but it's just like anything, the reality is every penny that goes into your bank account has to be sourced.
It does.
And
it does. It leads to whether or not you have a second job, whether or not you have a debt, an obligation, something you're paying. Yeah. So all of that comes into question and will be brought up.
Yes.
Especially if it's repetitive. If you're doing $100 a month, and we see multiple bank statements, that's going to be,
a little problem. But bottom line, guys, is just remember, every penny you put into your bank account when you're buying a house,
think about it.
They're going to ask for proof of where it came from.
Yep. And
if you can't prove it, you might have a little problem.
Just back it out. If you're counting on it for that down payment or cash to close, it's going to be a struggle every day.
It's going to be. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for all your support. We love
you guys.
you.
Enjoy the beautiful weather.